Hello, my name is Jose. Here I am with my 2017 Mercedes S550 or W222. Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin filters. They're located in the front of the car on the passenger side. Here we go. Okay, so here we are. We have to take this cover off. There'll be another cover here to be able to take the filters out. But for this cover, we have three T20s, one here, and one here. We got to take those out. Okay, all three screws are out. I'm going to pull this cover out. Okay, so now we're pushing this back first a little so we can snap these off. See, the front part comes down. We have to take up the light, disconnect the light. Okay, this is the clip. This is how we disconnect that light. So we're able to take these out. So this is the second cover that I was talking about. It has two clips, this one and this one, the two white clips. They have to be slide to the inside. See how they go in there? Yeah, you see those little guys in there? Alright, other side. Okay. Now we can just put things back. This thing has some guides at the end. Okay. And they go right up here. There's guides for them right below the filter. And it locks in place. It locks on. Put the screws back on. If you don't have those screws, it's because somebody changed your filters before and didn't put your screws back. Now remember, this is plastic, so we don't want to use an electrical tool. We want to go with a manual tool and also a small tool, so we don't go too crazy on it and break the plastic. Okay? And now we're going to go with the main cover. Make sure we put this lower piece first in the back. Okay? This goes in underneath these. Okay? Goes under this part, and then we can put it all up. We have to also remember to put our light back. There we go. Okay, we connect our light. We cover in place. We put our screws back. And that's it. We're done. Filters are changed. That's it. The light's back on, and everything is good. So the cabin filters are done. Very easy to do, and that works for many cars. Most cars have the cabin filters under there, or under the glove box. So just keep in mind that you don't have to use the dealer's parts. You don't have to use stuff from there because somebody else makes the parts from them. In the case of Mercedes, case of BMW, somebody else makes the parts for them. You can see it on spark plugs. You can see it on batteries. You can see it on filters, on hoses, everywhere. There's somebody else that makes the stuff for them, and they just put the logo so that they can sell it as Mercedes. In some cases, some stuff is a little cheaper if you buy it online. If you buy it at the dealer, it's still expensive. But if you buy it online, like I did, my auxiliary battery was cheaper to buy the original one. Or the cabin filters were cheaper to get the original ones, but online. So you could definitely use different manufacturers, and definitely you could work on your car yourself. There's no problem working in the engine. There's no problems at all. There's people that get intimidated because they see all these covers, all this plastic on the engine, and they get discouraged by that. But it's simple. This is a very sensitive car, Mercedes S550, and it's a modern car. It has a lot of technology, but you can still work on it. It's the same exact thing as other cars. So you don't have to worry about working in the car and thinking that you're going to damage something. If you worked on another car, or if you follow procedures, you follow what you're doing, if you follow videos like the ones I'm doing, you'll be able to do the work yourself. Like I've done work on my Honda. It's a 4-cylinder car, and it's the same procedures, the same, everything is the same, just that this one has double the cylinder, so it's double the work, double the stuff, double the parts, but it's the same. So we'll see you in the next video.